Hello, in this video we will be looking at why can't you FaceTime on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you want to ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, or if you are using mobile data, you want to ensure that your mobile data is toggled on, and also you are going to scroll down until you see FaceTime. And you want to ensure that it is toggled on, as you can see right here if you are using mobile data. Once you have done this, you are going to scroll down until you see FaceTime. You are going to select FaceTime, and from here you want to ensure that FaceTime is toggled on, as you can see on the screen right here. And that's it. Once FaceTime is toggled on, you should be able to now receive and make FaceTime calls. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.